Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you fine and well. I'm Marichu C. Galario, 39 years old, a solo parent of one son at 18. I live in Punta Looc, Romblon, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are gardening, cooking, singing, and sewing clothes. I am honest person, patient, understanding, hardworking, and responsible. I worked as a domestic helper in Singapore for 6 years. My first employer was a Singaporean. There are 4 people in the house, 2 kids, aged 7 and 12 years old. I worked for them for 4 years. I do cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, marketing, cooking, and sending and fetch them to the school. My second employer was Singaporean also. I took care baby, 1-year-old twins. I do cleaning, cooking, washing, and sometimes cooking. My third work as a domestic helper was in Hong Kong. I've been working in one employer for 4 years. They are 4 members, 2 adults, 1 grandma, and 1 2 months baby girl. My duties there is to taking care the baby, sometimes cooking at night. I do household like cleaning the house, ironing, and marketing. I can cook a simple dishes like steaming or frying the fish, making a noodles and soup. My relationship to my previous employer was very good, especially to the baby. I will try my best to be a good nanny to your children and to be a good helper to your family. Hello, mom, sir. I hope you choose me to work in your family as a helper. I wish I can finish my contract and renew with you. Thank you and God bless.